Hi, I'm Hillary Hess with Helping of Happiness. Today we are showing you how to make our Unicorn Blondies. This recipe was developed a few years ago when my little girls were super into unicorns and everything rainbows. So that's where this recipe has come from. So we're using either rainbow chocolate chips, you know, sometimes they're called unicorn chips, or you can use those pastel colored M&Ms if you want. Whatever pastel, like chocolate or white chocolate candy you want to use is fine. And these are really great to make ahead, and then they're to bring to an event if you need to bring a batch of cookies, because it's just like easy. You put them in a cookie sheet, and then once they're cool, you slice them up into cookie bars. So I hope you enjoy them as much as we do. So tell me, what are you putting in your Unicorn Blondies? Are you using the chocolate chips that are multicolored, or are you using M&Ms? Tell me in the comments. Make sure that you subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I hope we'll see you soon.